What's up, everybody? Hopefully everybody doing well, doing okay. So today's video we're gonna be reviewing the tune and the turbo. So coming in. What's up, guys? So how I said, we're gonna be reviewing the turbo and the tune today. So let's get this thing started. Okay, so first thing, we'll get this car started. We're gonna be turning the TCS off. If you guys don't know how to do it, to turn your traction off. So how you do it? So you're gonna be on parked already when you're gonna turn your car on, right? So you hit the brakes, right? Then you take your air brake, then you turn the contraction on and off, right? Then you pull this bad guy back on, you release your feet, then you turn back on and off, then you press the brake back and on and off. And there you go, guys. If you can show them that thing, it's flashing right there, that's your that means your traction control is completely off. What do you call it, TCS off or whatever. So now the tires, they're gonna be spinning like crazy. So we're gonna do some donuts and burnouts. No, I'm just kidding. But yeah, guys, let's go. So yeah, we take the car for a little spin, do some canyons road right now, and we'll see how the car feels. So by now already it's been, I will say, what's today, fourth, I will say about 34-35 days when I had the turbo and the tune on the car. Everything, it seems fine so far, so good. I have been having a lot of fun with the car. I didn't put any 85 on the car yet. I've been running the whole time just 91, just because, I mean, I've been running 250 for a few months, right? Like 6 months or more, almost a year actually. Then now jumping from 250 all the way to like 280-ish with 91. It's a little bit big jump, so I'm having a lot of fun with it, just like this. And I want to see the car and the motor, how it's reacting just with this power. I don't want to just be beating on my car, and it's my daily. So I'm trying to be a little bit gentle with the car, but I do beat on it at the same time, like when I trying to have fun, like today. So the car, it's been running really good. The turbo's been doing really great too. Everything seems really good. No issues, no problem. How you guys saw and installed the video, I am running W530 or whatever, which is a little bit thicker oil than 0W2. It's a little bit thicker than the stock oil, what they call it, 0W20, right? But this oil is a little bit thicker, so it does have a little struggle to start up in the mornings when it's cold days, because again, we're running bigger turbo, aggressive tone, with thicker oil. Of course, it's a lot thicker than the stock one, so the car, it does bark a little bit in the morning to start up, but always still start up in the first try, so it's not a big deal. I did ask 27-1 team. They said that's something normal, with the cold days and everything, so there is nothing I have to worry about. just the first startup in the morning, early mornings. If I do like startup mornings, like around 10, until the days got a little bit warmer, it's a little bit better. But if it's cold days, like cold in the morning, it does the car struggle to start up, but still start up in the first one. But you can tell like it takes a little bit longer. It's just because like it needs more fuel, need more stuff to the engine can start up a little bit more easy. But yeah, guys, so let's do little actions, then we'll talk about the turbo and everything. All right, guys, another pull, fourth gear pull. I love this car, dude. The car handles really good, and yeah, look, this turbo, it just keeps going. Yeah, top end, oh my god. The top end on this car, it becomes just something else, to be honest. From this car doesn't had a lot of top end before. Now has like crazy top end, crazy top end. The car just want to keep going and going and going. Those numbers just keep going. I'm like, god damn, sometimes it get me scared, and I was like, I have to slow down a little bit, but the car is still want to keep going. All right, this is, guys, third gear pull. Woo, baby. Oh my god, this car, with this bigger turbo, the car becomes something else, literally. I'm just having way too much fun in this car, just with 91. Again, I'm not the guy that I have I ride supercars every day, like fast cars every day now. So I know it's not like super fast car, but it's like a lot of fun car to drive, and it is quick. It can keep up with a lot of different cars. You will be very surprised. All right, guys, so I'm trying to put my microphone somewhere here in engine bay, so you guys can get the turbo noises if we can get some. So let's try it. I don't know how to do this, but let's see. Let's figure it out. Maybe put this guy somewhere. Yeah. Yeah. I'm just gonna. And what am I gonna put this guy at? God damn. I don't know where to put this guy at. Oh, maybe somewhere here. Okay, I don't want to put this somewhere. Yeah. There you go. So guys, like that's how it's gonna be right now. Hopefully nothing breaks. Ooh. Hey, don't try this at home, okay? All right. Let's see what we can do.